Well, buddies, we're rock and rolling in the free world today. Hard, hot, really smoky. Not great. Not great. GoPro, stop recording. Somebody get hurt?
No. Just making noise.
Oh, the Doger. Have you met Jason's dog, Chili?
Jason's dog?
My brother Jason's dog?
Oh, yes.
She had puppies yesterday.
Oh.
4 puppies. 6 puppies, but 2 stillborn.
Oh, shoot.
Yeah.
Uncle Jay, she had
Yeah, no,
yeah. I'll show you pictures, Dev.
About a year, 2 years ago, after Morty was found,
yeah,
and they were down.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Right.
Yeah.
Good pupper. That's a tired puppy right there. We gotta give that guy a wide berth. He's a slow trucker. You break it, you buy it.
Is that Eric? You watch it. You watch it.
That was fun. That little hop through.
I watched a video of someone doing it.
Oh, jumping that through the trees?
Yikes.
Just maybe worst case get the back.
It's a bad corner.
Best case, go down.
No, some guys will clear the whole thing.
Oh my gosh, no.
Okay. That would
So
be
you guys, there's a couple of
nuts.
little pops coming.
You read some of that thread, Sean Tony? About the boy, teenager died on the bike race?
Yes.
Harsh, eh? I read the article. I'm like, oh, savage.
Yeah, they didn't give a lot of details.
They didn't. They didn't.
Yeah. But sad.
Yeah.
Like young guy.
Yeah. Obviously, he's blazing. You know, he's not going 10 kilometers an hour. He's going 45.
Yeah. Could be a tree, could be a cliff.
Oh, yeah,
who knows
buddy.
what.
No, you shouldn't stay right there.
What? Yeah,
What does
yeah,
this look
people
like?
don't
What
know.
does this look like here? I saw your boy Evan's shin. Yikes.
Yeah, he that when we were camping.
Yeah.
Yeah.
GoPro, start recording. GoPro, start recording.
I'm doing
Go Who's doing it?
it. I'm just,
Is there a couple doing it?
Yeah, all guys.
yeah, I'm just gonna watch.
I think you've done it before, Noah. Yeah.
And I remember Devin doing it, and he flew.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Landed like over here or something.
Man. Yeah, you don't need as much speed as you think now because of the work they did on it.
They really actually, I feel like cleared this area nicely.
That'd be good to know.
So I'm going to start this camera when they start coming, and then I'm going to go over there.
Sure.
No, I'm going to go there because I want me this way and the camera that way.
Are you,
I'm seeing.
you're saying you want to do it?
I'm going to video. I've already done it.
Okay, gotcha. Is that on?
Not yet.
Okay.
Anytime you guys are ready.
Oh, you can see him.
Perfect conditions for it.
Oh yeah, buddy.
First up, Jeremy. Nice, perfect. Oh, and he did that one perfect too.
Clear.
Pick that up.
Not yet.
No, the small.
That one's really steep, so it's a bit of a surprise.
Yeah, buddy. No, that one down there.
Yeah.
I did a lot of time.
Yeah, buddy.
Well done, Dill. Thunder. Devin, 360 bar spin, go.
Oh, jeez. You always get so much.
He's got such a good pop, eh?
He just floats up. Gravity does not work against that kid.
No. This isn't a very good shot.
No, Sean or Noah's gonna do it, I think.
Yeah, no, just
I
get a better
haven't done anything on this bike. This is a big one to start off on. I don't know.
Noah's coming, Dill.
Where's the landing for us? Pardon me? Where we are landing?
Right here.
Oh, you guys are landing right about here.
Are you ready, Noah? Okay.
So smooth. Sean Tony?
Just, I've never done anything like that on this one.
Yeah.
And this is a big one to experiment with.
Sure.
And so,
We should go to the bike park.
yeah, I need to go to the bike park and just
Well,
practice
maybe
off.
your second lap, because once you do Little Mama,
Is Little Mama smaller, so?
it is,
Okay.
Yeah.
but it's got a little bit of a kick to it now.
Okay.
But it's you don't need as much speed as you did before.
Okay.
You didn't need a lot anyway, but
Right.
Not yet. I want you to do bike parking practice. On that one.
Okay.
all right. Make Papa proud.
Not too. Yeah. Click. Yeah. You're good.
Nicely done, Noah.
Oh, the nose heavy on that second one.
He was fine.
Well, not really.
Scared Daddy. You should be proud.
I am, but
He almost killed himself, though.
You don't want to scare him too much with the coaching right before. Yeah. You did a good job holding back because
Yeah. Whatever.
it gets
He
in
was
their mind.
coming in hot.
Yeah.
And he came just a little bit crooked.
Exactly.
Yeah, you really want to stay right.
Back when he, back
Yeah.
when
I went straight in the middle, I think, but I would go a touch right. Especially if you want to go a little bit faster.
I mean, he landed like over here.
That's his skid mark right there.
Yeah.
But he landed before that. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So he landed up here?
Yeah. He landed like
I need to get a feel for this bike in
Oh, okay.
terms of its.
skid.
Okay, got it, buddy.
This
Got it,
is a
buddy.
big one to practice on. I'll try a smaller one first.
He wants to do Little Mama.
Yeah, I'll practice on a smaller one first. And
All right, well, let's go. I have Little Mama, guys.
You're good, bud.
actually, even this one would be a good one to just practice.
Yeah.
I want to go first, but I want you to watch me do it.
Okay, I'll do it and then I'll turn on the whistle. So just once I land, I'll turn on the whistle.
Hopefully I do this one right.
Because this is a.
So, Jared, are you going to buy a new helmet to match your bike?
No. No.
That's kind of
You doing okay, bud?
heavy.
Sender.
You're gonna do it.
Yeah, buddy. I wouldn't mind seeing what that looks like. That was good. It was a good run, Jeep.
Thanks.
You looked out of control.
I was pretty out of control.
Yeah.
My foot slipped off though.
Yep. Again, the bike's not really set to take the impact, so you did well. You didn't case. You cleared it.
Wait, you're talking about the big one up
Yeah, big boy. Hey, look pro.
Thank you.
Look pro, lover. I'm gonna go check out this and go back.
My front end all the way down.
Oh, that's a big boy. Holy cock-a-doodie.
No, do you want to eye it?
That was fun. It's a nice little chill. Woo! Foot down in the drink. There's a reek.
I can't hit the thing yet right before.
I'll hit that. Huh? What?
How far up is the trail after this?
Trudge, what?
Cleared it.
Yeah, buddy. Woo!
You want to hike back up? Oh, darn it.
Wow, buddy. What am I supposed to do?
Get out of the way.
Yeah.
Devo, you don't have to do it, but I want to show you something.
Oh. No way. It was coming for it. But I definitely want to go to the track because you can get some.
No big jumps. Too tired.
Huh?
No jumps. I'm too tired.
You need not dress for it either. Okay, J-Ram, you're doing it. Okay, buddy. J-Ram, I'm gonna be on the jump. I'll be on the jump.
No, just go on. You just lay under the first piece of wood.
No.
Oh, my dad's doing it. Go. My dad's doing it.
Harry, do you want to scooch up just a smidge? Huh?
Good plan.
GoPro, start recording. GoPro, start recording. Yeah, buddy!
You got all the new tech, huh, Jared?
What's that, Eric?
You got all the new tech, huh?
Not all new. Oh, yeah.
Oh, I could have gone faster.
Yeah, for sure. Clear!
You should do it again, Dad.
Look out, Sean Tony. Yeah, nice still.
Dad, you should
Clear, buddy!
Yeah, more speed. I hit it too slow. I hit about this.
Oh. That was trick.
Perfect there.
All right, you guys, let's ride it out.
Yeah, that's good. Look good. Nobody. One more lap, Dill, or Shire. Noah. Boy. Woo! That is chun.
was that? You guys get the money for us out of that trail?
Yeah.
Oh, we're gonna go up and do one more trail.
One more trail, boys.
I mean, if you got gas in the tank, your dad wants to take you longer.
Yeah, I gotta get a. I always wind up in that hard gear.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, sucker. GoPro, stop recording. Happy review, bud? GoPro, start recording.
Yeah. 180 tail whip, back flip, gear.
Triple backfill gamer. That's what it is. Oh, gotcha. Clap. Wow, that's gonna be the coolest video we've ever done.
Okay. You guys can see the hardcore shit. I wanted it. No. then keep going.
Is this one Glenn Sal just did like a month ago?
And then they'll hit that gap right there. But this is an easy roll, as you can see. But just so you guys know,
I wouldn't water roll that into it.
That's working. It's insane, Harry, hey?
You can roll that as long as you scary. As long as you lean back. Yeah. As long as you lean back. It's scary to roll.
The roll is straightforward, but the huck to straight flat is ridiculous here. That's a DH trick in my mind, hey? Like you want full
action right here, and then
7/8 sus.
down. Here we go.
There you go. Oh. Funny. I thought I heard a clap on my suspension. Still got a smidge. I thought I heard a clap. I'm like, oh boy. Because I took a hit pretty hard, but it obviously chain slap, I would think, hey? But it felt good. You're getting air on all those hops, eh, here? Yeah, yeah.
But when you come over, I'm going to stand where you don't want to be. Because there's a root. So make sure you come beside, when you come over, aim beside me. Because you don't want to hit this root. Same with my hand. Yeah.
Well done, Dev.
You just lean back, aim at my hand.
Yes, Eric. Yeah, buddies.
I was going to hop on like that.
You gonna hit it, boys?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. The conditions are perfect, Harry. The last time I was here, night, I'm gonna say, wet. And yikes. This is so good. You good, Ev?
Yeah, I think I was in Logan.
Sure, buddy. Butt behind the seat, Cheech? Yeah, buddy. Pro level. Behind the seat. Yeah, a little high, a little high. Holy cock-a-doodle. That's insane, eh, bud?
Yeah.
That's a triple backflip, no gainer. Right?
Yeah.
Or what? No, triple backflip 360 gainer. That's a triple backflip 360 gainer. Good grief, buddy. It's called a step up, buddy. That's a full send and a full sus bike. That's a DH'er. Yeah, buddy. Who? Truth. Oh, buddy.
What is this?
Let's go back. This is all Trail Dweller ready. Sender.
And then, what does it lead up to?
The road, buddy.
Oh.
This is all climb now, boys. Climb. Change gears. Got some help, Def? Yeah, buddy.
You gotta keep pedaling for the shift, but you gotta pedal forward.
Can you?
Okay, now push the shift again. Pedal, Jeff, just do one pedal.
Good? Jeej, you good? Lead, Jeej.
Yes. Yeah, it is.
Make me proud, son.
And a gear.
Sender. Uphill. Change gears. Pedal, pedal.
Alrighty.
It's kind of this, buddy. If you carry speed, it helps you get up the next hill. Little push, little push. You're good, buddy. You're doing well.
Probably a bit. You're good.
Hey, you're looking good. You did that hill well. Both of you, buddy. No, you're good, buddy. You're real good, buddy. Yes, Gigi, you did that hill as pro level as anybody else. Might be a little easier to change gears, buddy. Yeah, because we're almost done, buddy. I think so, buddy. I'm a tank.
Okay. And just blaze out, you guys.
Just stay to the right.
Well, you can go back that way, but whatever. Sender.
Send it. Yeah.
Pedal, pedal, buddy. Change gears, buddy. You bet, buddy. You got her. Yeah, buddy. How's it, Shantoni?
Good.
Getting her done?
That was fun.
That's a great trail. Do you got juice for one more or no?
Yeah.
Like one more lap up?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, you're done, Dell?
Yeah, we were talking about wrapping it up after.
Oh, the one more I figure is always.
One more now.
Oh, I could do even a half.
Yeah, I'm not pressed for time. And the only reason I could only do one more is because I'm out of water.
Yeah.
So
We could just go back. Look, we can end it here.
so whatever you and Evan want to do. Do you and Evan want to do another lap?
Jeej?
No, Devin? I'm good. Alright,
Okay.
then let's just.
Yeah, you guys are good, then I'm good. Okay.
All right.
Evan, you want to bring that here?
Eric, we can go to the bike park. What? We can go to the bike park.
How does it feel?
Good ride, Harry.
I want to try that wood
So, Harry,
drop off.
this bike has huge rotors. Look at your bike. Those are monster 200s.
Oh, wait, no, I've done those.
Yeah. That's killer.
And so how is the feel on the bike on the downhills and stuff? Yeah.
That's good. It's heavy.
Yeah.
It's good. Like
Yeah.
it feels solid.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's good.
You parked over there?
Yes. Yeah. Kevin, we'll bring it down here.
Okay, boys.
Oh,
Be well.
look at it. Am I going to get that? Oh. Yeah, the shocks. What about it? I can't get that on our bike rack.
Do you want me to take it back, Sean?
Oh, really?
Yeah. Might have to, unless I hang them
Isn't
by
your
the...
bike the same though?
Yeah, unless I hang them
Yeah, it is.
too, but I don't know if that's an option. But yeah, I parked down here. Good ride.
Are you guys going to go for Bergs or no, Sean? Bergs or no Bergs?
You guys want to go to McDonald's?
Of course.
Yeah, Dad, let's go.
That's not even a question.
It's
Which
tradition.
one? Tomorrow.
You riding, Eric?
I'd be down. Yeah, I know. Dad.
Nice ride.
Good idea.
Nice ride.
Devin?
Need new pads?
Actually, no, I would have.
That makes sense.
Elbow pads.
Yeah, buddy. Those shoes look brand new, buddy.
Just try doing it.
They do look good shape. Dusty, but they look pro.
Oh, they're fairly new.
Yeah.
I'm gonna hit up the Adidas outlet because they'll have 510s on sale.
Yeah.
I remember.
Okay, Jeech. Wow. It's more than nothing, buddy. It's heavy as sin. Truth. It's just so freaking heavy, buddy. Truth. 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 Okay, load your bike up, buddy. Whatever. GoPro, stop recording. One more, buddy. Off the chest. Truth. Coward. You're the coward.